In this video, we'll be going over the installation and initial logging in of the SatScreen Connection Center. To download the Connection Center, we'll start at our website, SleepSat.com. Up here at the top, we'll go to Downloads. Once there, we'll scroll down till we see Connection Center Installer and hit Download on that. As you can see in the bottom left, it is now installed. I'll click that to open, give it permission, and the Connection Center has started to install. Next, the device driver will pop up. We'll hit Next on that, and then Finish, and finally finish on the Connection Center installer. If we minimize our browser, we can see that the SatScreen Connection Center is now on my desktop. If I double click that to open, we can see that it's installed, but that I'm not logged in. To log in, we'll come up to the top left, click Options, and then Settings, and then enter our login information. And then hit Save Settings. You can see that I'm logged in. It says Welcome at the top left, and in the bottom right, the email that I used to log in is showing there. Alright, that's it for this video. Have a wonderful day.